Every year, we wait for the great pumpkin to rise, and this year, we're inviting him right to our homes. Charlie Brown Halloween Decor is the ultimate in nostalgic, cozy fall charm. Today, we're sharing the best Peanuts Halloween decor inspiration. From simple character pumpkins to a full Charlie Brown pumpkin patch setup, it's time to bring Linus's spirit to life. We'll break down our ideas into 3 simple sections: creating the perfect character pumpkins, building your great pumpkin patch, and simple DIY ideas for a full room takeover. Get ready for some classic fall fun with our It's the Great Pumpkin Decor tutorial. Let's begin with the heart of the theme: playful character-inspired touches. These are simple, recognizable details that immediately remind you of the Peanuts gang. From patterns and colors to subtle nods and accents, the magic is in the little things. These details work beautifully as family projects or simple DIY additions. Each piece brings back memories of laughter, friendship, and the joy of waiting for the great pumpkin to arrive. Visuals: a montage of multiple character-inspired creations arranged together in a playful display. Which part of the Great Pumpkin tradition do you love most? Or which character would you bring into your fall decor? Share your favorite nostalgic detail in the comments. We'd love to hear your memories. Next, let's capture the feeling of the Great Pumpkin itself. This theme is all about harvest magic. Warm colors, seasonal textures, and displays that bring the story's playful spirit to life. It's about creating an atmosphere that feels both whimsical and comforting. Adding a central element to anchor the look makes the whole setup shine. Think of it as your version of the Great Pumpkin moment. a centerpiece that pulls everything together and gives your decor that nostalgic storybook quality. If you loved these Charlie Brown-inspired Halloween ideas, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who adore a little nostalgic fall magic. Finally, it's the little details that make the atmosphere complete. Seasonal accents, like cozy fabrics, playful props, or themed touches, carry the story's energy throughout your space. These simple elements transform ordinary corners into memorable scenes. Sometimes the smallest nods to a beloved tradition create the strongest feeling of nostalgia. A few thoughtful details can be enough to capture the heart of the Great Pumpkin theme. For more cozy and creative Halloween decorating inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more festive ideas. And just like that, your space is ready for the Great Pumpkin. By combining character-inspired touches, nostalgic harvest setups, and cozy seasonal details, you've created a look that's playful, heartwarming, and full of charm. These ideas are about more than just decor. They're about reliving a tradition that continues to inspire joy year after year. May your Halloween be filled with cozy moments, laughter, and a touch of nostalgic magic from the Great Pumpkin. Here's to creating spaces that remind us of timeless stories and the joy of celebrating together each season.